Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sabir Khan, row number 31. Here is the sketch of our logo. This is our splash screen of our app. This is another screen that based on sign in and sign up pages. If you are already a member of our business, just click on sign in, otherwise go to a sign up page. When you click on sign in button, you have to enter your phone number and password for verification. Otherwise, you are a new user. Put your full name, phone number, email, and click on the agree button and sign up. For verification, check your email or phone number to confirm that you are a verified user. So this is a new screen. If you forget your password, enter your new password and confirm your new password. Here is the screen of your password. You will receive a confirmation message from your phone number and reset your password.